Andy Johnson, Minnesota State University. We are looking at comprehension, cognitive processes, and we are going to look at prediction. Now, Ken Goodman described reading as a psycholinguistic guessing game. That means we use what's in our head to constantly think a little ahead and fill in the blanks as we read. There's more information flowing top down than page up. So we're predicting, we use very few letter cues. We use mostly what's in our head. So predicting is an important cognitive process. However, predicting is not simply making a guess. It's using clues or background information to calculate or deduce what might happen, or simplified, making a guess based on clues or information. We want to teach this cognitive process explicitly. We want to make it external first using graphic organizers, and then students will eventually internalize the process. And I like to use the predictogram. What do you think will happen when? And then students list clues, either in the book or background information that they know of. And then they list their prediction. As a pre-reading, boys and girls, this is the background information. This is one thing that's going to happen. What do you think will happen next? And students list their clues. Or during reading, stop. What do you think is going to happen next? Let them look back and look for specific clues. Or at the end of a chapter, the story, what do you think will happen next? Look for clues in the story. This is great as a small group activity because the conversation that takes place enhances thinking and learning, pre, during, and post. The next one is semantic impression. It is a form of predicting. I like this. Here's the steps. Provide the title of the story. List 8 to 10 key words, phrases that represent characters, events, settings, or represent the story. Students have to predict what the story is about or what might happen next. It's great in small groups. Again, the conversation enhances thinking. And then you always want students to list their clues using the predictogram. This can be done with both expository and narrative text. We teach the process to develop the skill. Becoming automatic with cognitive processes occurs over time. Predicting.